Hi guys, welcome to Viva Delicious. I'm your host, Bella Favela, and today I have the pleasure of being with Juan Saravia, co-owner of La Pupusa Urban Eatery here in Washington in downtown LA. Tell us a little bit about the history of what you just started here.
Well, this is a family restaurant. My wife and I own it. We both run it together. This is basically came out of something, we used to do this as a family, and my parents retired a couple years back, and we decided it was time for us to put our mark on what we decided was going to be our generational thing that we pass on to our kids.
Wonderful. So, if I'm like the typical Latina, Mexican of heritage, and I'm tired of eating tacos, and I want something different, Juan, tell me, what is it that I'm supposed to be ordering when I come here that's really gonna blow me away?
Well, the first thing I'll ask you is, have you ever had a pupusa before?
I actually have. I haven't. I know that they come in different types and
different types.
Stuffing, so there's different things you can put inside.
Right.
I haven't tried a variety other than like cheese and beans. So I'm very typical with like the Mexican thing, the cheese and the beans. But in this case, I know you guys get really creative with that. So tell me a little bit about that.
So we do your typical, we do your cheese. We do something actually called cheese and queso y lo loco. So lo loco is a typical plant of El Salvador. It's the flower, the bud of the flower, I prefer blooms of the plant called the bejuco. So I really never found no way to translate the name, but that's what it is. But that's like something typical. Now we go far off, like we'll put like cheese and jalapeno. We'll go like cheese and squash. We'll do cheese and chicken even. We'll change it up, and we even do ones that we call like the breakfast one, which we give you a typical pupusa. We'll give you the option of you choosing whatever kind of stuffing you like in it. And it gets topped up with 2 sunny-side-up eggs, a little bit of salsa ranchera, and you get a little bit of our casamiento, and a little bit of our Salvadorian sour cream.
Now that sounds so delicious. I'm so excited because I know you're gonna make something special for us today.
Definitely.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, we're gonna make you a couple things. We're gonna make you something typical, like our pan con pollo, which is, I always like to say it's my grandma's Thanksgiving, Christmas time. It's something you always have, and it's something I always translate like love in our food, because it's something that we always have during those special times. And I have it every single day.
Bring family together.
I have it every single day because to me it's like I want to share love every single day. So so you can try it all the time. Other than that, you'll probably have our mañanera, the one pupusa I just talked about, the one with the eggs on top. We'll probably also have one I call La Mexicana. So that one I do a little different. It's just like a taco and a pupusa got married together.
That's interesting.
Very, very.
Now that will be something we'll all want to see.
And we'll do also our mamacita, which is something that's been on our secret menu for a while, and it's our 18-inch, 10-pound pupusa.
Nice. Thank you guys. Let's check it out. We're back to Viva Delicious, and now we're in the kitchen of Juan. We are about to explore and experience what pupusas are all about.
So the masa is prepped before we do this.
Of course.
And what we're typically looking for is most moisture in your masa. The most moisture you're able to maintain and work with the masa, the better tasting you'll have. Keep it nice and moist.
Good.
Typically, in our culture, you use a little bit of manteca, a little bit of lard on top. I try not to use that, so I try to let them cook naturally.
Yes.
So as I just
Good.
naturally.
So how many minutes does it take?
And normally, we've timed it down 10 to 12 minutes. It's timing.
Pretty quick. Yum. And this one that you're making is just beans?
That's just a bean and cheese.
Bean and cheese. Ooh, bean and cheese, my favorite.
This one right here we're gonna do is cheese and jalapeno.
Yum, that's a lot of cheese. So you're gonna get the nice melted
Oh yeah.
texture and
What you want is you want to be able to have the cheese cook through and melt through all the way
through the masa.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you're actually cutting into it, well, you're not cutting because remember you're using fingers. So when you're biting into it
or tearing it apart,
you're getting this nice cheesy effect. Delicious. Oh, I'm excited. And what kind of chiles are you using for that one?
So on that one we used jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
This one, yes. Okay. And then we're doing another one.
What is this cooking over there?
Okay, so
that looks delicious.
This what we have over here is our pan con pollo, our pollo that we do, and our special sauce.
Yum.
You want to have a taste?
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Can I grab this?
Go for it. Go for it.
So this is chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, here I go. Oh my God. That. Ooh. Got a nice little kick to it. I like that because I am Mexican. So tell me, do Salvadorians love chile? Because
Actually, no.
see, that's what we gotta know this. What's
Actually,
going
no.
on?
But growing up in LA, I've gotten used to spices. I have to have spice in my food. It's just how I've grown up to eat. So in our chicken that you just tasted,
so
we use
good.
we use sesame seed, we use cilantro seed, we use a little bit of guajillo, a little bit of pasilla. Yeah. Annatto seed is, I was trying to find the right way to say it. In Spanish you say achote. Yeah,
Achote, that's what I'm
so
thinking.
we get those ingredients. We toast them up before we actually throw them in the blender and blend them. So we give them that nice little smoky taste to them.
So I'm assuming that this chile is very typical of what you guys have in El Salvador.
Yeah, actually, I work with a company that imports all their stuff from El Salvador.
Nice.
So I get everything. I know it's 100%
Authentic.
Salvadorian.
Authentic.
Exactly.
Love how it's melting. And it actually allows, you were saying about la manteca.
Right.
And how you use it to cook,
Yeah,
to kind of toast up a little bit of the outside.
And typically
cheese.
we do. We don't use it. Yeah, we don't need it. The cheese in itself
look what
has
it's
enough.
doing.
Yes.
It's actually almost frying the dough on the outside, what we call masa. And your masa is made from
Corn.
corn.
Yeah.
No flour, just the corn. They kind of like what we use for tamales, right?
Right. Kind of like what you use in tamales.
Yeah.
We actually the same spices we use in our pan con pollo, we use it in making our tamales.
Nice. Oh my God, is this a pizza? What is this? What?
This is what we call la mamacita. So it's our 18-inch, 10-pound pupusa.
What? Yep, you got it right. Look at that, you guys. That is an actual pupusa. Unbelievable. Wow. Like, have you ever seen anything that big? Looks like a pan pizza, but it's not. It's an actual pupusa. You got it. All pupusa. That size. That is unbelievable. Look at this. Now, if you're having a party, a celebration, big family gathering, and you're looking for something exciting to add to your kitchen table, come to La Pupusa Urban Eatery because Juan has something exciting that's stored for you that's going to look amazing on your dinner table. Check this out, you guys. Look at this. Unbelievable. Wow, Juan, this is some big pupusa.
Oh, yes, it is.
How many inches again?
So it's 18 inches and 10 pounds in weight.
Wow.
So this one's actually half cheese, half bean and cheese.
There you go. So you can even get divided pupusas. You have different flavors, different wants, different needs. Here, you can get half and half. So no complaints at the dinner table, that's for sure. Okay guys, we're getting ready for this. Juan, what is this that you're making again?
So this is our traditional pan con pollo.
Pan con pollo. That's the chicken with the chile flavor that I tried a little earlier. What's in the sandwich?
So we put a little bit of our mixed greens on the bottom.
Mixed
A little bit of
greens?
spinach, a little bit of
What kind of bread
arugula,
are
a little
you
bit of red
using?
leaf. Say it again?
What kind of bread are you using?
Oh, we actually use a French roll. And
Nice,
we
French
actually
roll.
source most of our stuff from around our neighborhood. Just from a bakery down the street.
Oh, good.
Bakery's actually been there for over 30 years.
Good.
And I've known the family for a long time, so
Great,
I decided to,
supporting
yes,
the local vendor.
keep everything local and keep everything moving.
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
definitely.
Wow. Juan, tell me you're going to share this with me.
Oh, it's not shareable.
Say what?
Definitely, we'll share.
I don't know if I can handle all this. But I will tell you, my appetite has grown ever since I saw what's cooking on that grill. So I'm excited to do this. Wow, look at the beautiful color.
Oh, you can't forget the extra sauce because you always
la
use sauce.
salsita, and I put it on top.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Okay, guys, you ready for this? Chile salsa on top. Nice and slowly. Just the way I like it. Nice and juicy.
Yeah, ladies
Okay,
first.
thank you. Ready?
Right.
You gonna share with me?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Okay, guys, are you ready for this? Una, dos, tres.
Tres.
Oh my God. What I can tell you is that don't worry about looking pretty, Because what's important is how you make your belly feel. And right now, so good. So don't mind this, okay? Ready for the next one?
Definitely. Go.
So good. Yum. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. That is so tasty, full of flavor, and it feels fresh because you've got all the veggies in there. I'm a veggie kind of girl, so seals the deal for me. Delicious. And I can't wait to try these pupusas because they look amazing. So guys, ya saben, aquí se puede hacer la pupusa mitad y mitad de diferentes sabores, así es que ingredientes, dependiendo de lo que les guste, se la pueden preparar aquí, la mitad y la mitad. No complaints there. Everybody at the dinner table is going to be happy. They can get half and half of everything. And we are about to check that out. You guys, look at this. Ah, don't you just love watching that cheese ooze out of there?
¿Sí?
Ok, ¿listos? Vamos a ver esta magia, a ver cómo le hacen. Keep your eyes on that, guys. Not on me. Over there. Look at that. Bravo! Bien hecho, eh? Look at that. He got it. Nothing fell apart. It was perfectly well done. One that looks like it's coming along just fine.
Oh yeah, it's gonna take a little while, but it'll be almost done soon.
I like that. Okay guys, we're gonna continue to let this cook for a few more minutes. So I'll check in with you in just a minute and show you what that is gonna look like when we cut it open. Okay guys, this is one huge pupusa, 18-inch to be exact. And let me tell you, it's ready to go, and we're excited that Juan is gonna show us and reveal what's going on inside this big pupusa. Go ahead, Juan. Tell us what you're gonna do.
So we're gonna cut it like a pizza. Been the best way to find you can cut it into share it. So let's go.
Right down the middle.
Right down the middle. Hopefully, I think I got the
half and half.
Yeah, half and half. So.
And when you have this ready to go, each slice, do you prep it up with anything else, any other condiments, or you just have it like that?
Okay, so typically pupusas must be eaten, and I say must because it's something that's in our culture. You must have it. Pickled cabbage, our curtido.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I love that.
I'll have some brought out right now.
Yummy.
Our curtido and
you guys prep that up?
Yes. So we make everything fresh
in-house.
in-house.
Tell us a little bit about the curtido.
So the curtido is
what
pickled.
Does it consist of?
Our pickled cabbage. It consists of cabbage, carrots, onions, crushed peppers, oregano, salt, water, and vinegar.
Vinegar. So it's going to be a little tangy, acidic.
Yes.
Yum. And then with the onions?
And with the onions, yes. Nice little flavors, yes.
Wow. Can't wait. And is it spicy?
Well, typically it's not, but I do have a good amount of chili flakes, so it is spicy.
Nice.
Yeah, so and then we have a little bit of our salsa de tomate.
Salsa de tomate, it's spicy?
That one is a tad bit spicy, yes.
Spicy, okay. Great, guys. You have your choice, whether you want it spicy or not, by adding your chile. And because I love my chile, I'm gonna try it first without and then with, so I can see the difference.
All right.
Great.
That's
nice and greasy, that cheese releasing all that nice grease. I love that. It's literally like an oversized quesadilla. It's like a quesadilla, breaded, and it's just like a mixture of things going on here.
Yeah.
Ah, so good. Look at that, yum.
Okay, so there we go. Let me get you a plate so we can.
Okay, Absolutely. There you go. Curtido.
Curtido.
Okay. We're gonna put some on the tip because we're gonna start from the top, from the beginning of the slice. Take it from the top. And I'm gonna try my first bite without the chile, and then with the chile. Okay, guys, this is probably like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about a pound and a half.
Yeah, I know. On a bigger scale, it's like the cheese is just...
Tell me about your cheese, because that is unbelievable. Where's this cheese from?
Oh, we get it here, but it's a special. I add some extra special spices to make the flavor more consistent to what we're used to having in El Salvador.
So it's a cheese that you guys use in your culture? Yeah. Okay. Now, part 2. Chile. Don't overdo it?
No, you can overdo it all you want.
A little more.
There's no rule to this.
Just a little more. No rules here, okay? Oh my God, so good.
See, I love the full-on hand effort. You're not even trying to go for the fork. I love that.
No fork involved.
Right?
Oh, Juan.
You can just imagine, you can't get past 2 slices.
I am at your mercy right now with this. I will clean your kitchen, wash your dishes, because this is so tasty and delicious. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, La Pupusa Urban Eatery, gotta come and try this. Like I said, you have a big family gathering. This is gonna be the perfect piece to your table. It's gonna set it all together. Look, all the slices bring everything together in one circle, just like your family members. Bring them together with something like this. I promise you, everybody will walk away very happy. And you know, I'm looking at this pupusa. He was cooking those pupusas. Look at the decor. This is like, it's so beautifully prepared and garnished that, what did you put on here? Tell us about this one.
Our pupusa mexicana. This is what I'm saying about, which is our taco and pupusa, like they got married. So the bottom is our pupusa, which is maybe you might call over-glorified tortilla, but it is not. Nice. It is full on taste. This one's actually stuffed with cheese and jalapeno. Topped it off with carne asada, a little bit of our guacamole, a little bit of our crema salvadoreña, which is not your typical cream, a little bit of our pico de gallo, and some cotija cheese with a little bit of chip to accompany it.
Amazing. And again, you just pick it up and eat it.
Yeah. And this one you probably want to fold like a taco.
Yeah.
So you're able to get.
But it looks beautiful the way it is. I would probably just eat it like that, just to get all the flavors.
Kind of like a sope.
Exactly. Yeah. Just like a sope. Well, you guys, we have some work to do. It's called eating an 18-inch pupusa. So guys, I have had such an amazing time working in this kitchen with Juan. Although he did most of the work, but watching and talking, hey, that's a lot of work too. And you know, it made me super hungry. So right now I'm gonna keep it busy by going back to this baby and then maybe a little bit of this. I don't know, what do you guys think? Juan, you have been a wonderful person to interview. I love your business. I love what you do. Your concept is amazing, and I'm sure the viewers will agree with me. So thank you so much. Kudos to you for doing an amazing job on all this and for making me super happy with some delicious food. Thank you.
I gotta be honest, it wasn't just me. My wife also is a part of this. She's not here today because she's with the kids, but she's a big part of this, and without her, this couldn't be.
Of course.
Yeah.
So thank you to both
for
inviting us in and allowing us into your kitchen. I want to say thank you guys for watching. I'm Bella Favela with Viva Delicious. Let's keep it going. I gotta go. I'm busy, right, Juan? We're gonna keep it going,
later.
Right? Yep.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. De comer. I mean, obviously, you know, every culture has different customary food. So, ¿cuáles son las costumbres de ustedes para la comida? What's so special about the food? Or what do you bring along that makes
in our culture, like
Salvador
you call it costumbres, we call it mañas.
Las mañas.
So las mañas de nosotros, or the way we do things is
when
we eat our food, it's always with our hands. There's no forks. So our biggest thing is if you ever eat pupusas and you pick up a fork and a knife, we're gonna be like, what are you doing? Yeah.